So here is the wiring of this printer on the MKS Robin Nano V3.1 board. So it looks a little bit messy, but I will show you one by one. So first of all, you can see at the bottom there are two wires, red and black. The first one connection is for the power supply. You can see here 12 and 24 volt, but we are using 24 volt, that's why we will connect 24 volt here. Black one is negative and red one is positive. So the second connection is for heat bed. This is positive wire and this is negative wire. So here you can see small connections for hot ends HE0 and HE1. So we are using only one hot end, so we will connect hot end in HE0 position, sorry, 0 terminal. And next one is the fan terminal. So you are seeing fan terminal here, two fan terminals. So these are the fans which can be controlled by LCD, and these are the motor drivers. I am using TMC 2209. So I have used 3 TMC motor drivers for X, Y and E axis. So for Z axis we are using T6600 motor drivers. These are the two connections for cooling fans. These are also for the fans, but these are directly connected to the power supply. That means they will remain always on. So these are the fans that we use for hot end. After that, the first connection is for X-axis motor, the second one is for Y-axis motor, the third two are for Z-axis motion, and the fourth one is for extruder motor. So there are two connections for Z-axis terminal because it uses one motor driver for both motors. That means both motors will connect it parallelly to each other if we connect two Z-axis motors here. So you can see the 4 pins are connected in Z-axis. So 4 pins, first one is for enable, this one is for the direction, the orange one is for the steps, and this one is for the ground. So it uses 4 pins from TB660 motor driver, and these pins will be connected here like this. So after that, you can see the top two cables are for the LCD. So this is for X end stop, this is for Y end stop or limit switch, this is for Z end stop, but we are using BL touch sensor. So this is for BL touch sensor, 2 wires are here and the remaining 3 wires are behind this. You can see here 3, yellow, red and green. Yellow is for signal, red one is for voltage and green is for ground. So the top white terminal you are seeing, this pin is the heat bed thermistor pin, and the white thermistor here in TH1 terminal, it's the thermistor for hot end. So this is the connection for the 500mm 3D printer on MKS Robin board.